Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be creating Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Simple 2D animation rig in Blender's grease pencil. If I am going too fast or doing things that are a bit unclear, please feel free to ask for help in the comments section. So we begin by importing our image reference by going to Add, Image then Reference. Alright, reduce the opacity on the Data Property tab. Create the head layer, then in Edit mode, select the line tool. Left-click to start drawing, then press E to extrude another line. Click on the points, then drag to move them. Create another layer for the eyes, then the pupils. Use the circle tool for the eyes. Create another layer for the mouth also. We do this to stay organized. We do the same for the arms, body, legs, and feet. I imported another reference for the legs and feet. For coloring, go to Materials tab, then use the Paint Bucket tool to apply the color. You can also use the Brush tool to draw in the color. Then in Sculpt mode, use the Smooth tool to smoothen the outline. For the elbow, use the Circle tool. Place the circle at the center of the elbow, then in Edit mode, cut it into halves, then delete the other half. This will be part of our upper arm. Separate the upper arm and the lower arm, and place them on their own separate layers. Select our forearm and move it a little bit forward to cover the elbow. Alright, it's time to rig our character. Go to Add Armature, then Bone to add the bone. Select the bone, then in Edit mode, move the bone to the center of the character. Right-click, then select Subdivide to divide the bone. For the arm, select the node of the bone, then press E to extrude outwards. Do the same for the legs. Press Shift-D to duplicate the bones, then S to scale. Press F to name the bones. For the bones on the right, name them ending with .R. Go to Add, then select the lattice. Make sure you move or scale the lattice only in object mode. Go to Lattice, then increase the numbers in the W section in order to increase the amount of subdivisions horizontally. Go to the Modifiers tab, select Deform, then select Armature. Select our armature on the Object section. In the Vertex Group section, type the names of the chest and the spine bones. In Object mode, select the object, then in the Modifiers tab, add the Lattice modifier. Select Lattice, then select Influence Body Layer, since we want the lattice to only deform the body. In Edit mode, select the points, then in Vertex, select the bone name, then click Assign. Select the bone, go to Pose mode to test the rig. Select the lattice, then Interpolation, select Linear. Select the bone, go to Data, then Display as B-bone. Go to Bone Properties tab, Bendy Bones, then increase the number of segments to make the bones more flexible. Select the bones, right-click, then Symmetrize. Shift, select the object, then the bones, and press Ctrl-P to parent the object to the bones. In Weight Paint mode, you will see the names of the bones at the top. Select the name of the bone, then the layer you want to apply the weights. Click Drag to apply the weights. Do the same for the bones and the other layers. Test the rig to see if the weights are applied. For the eyes, use the square tool, then in Edit mode, right-click Subdivide to make sure there are 3 points on each side. Go to Stroke, then set Curve Type to NURBS, then move the points. Shift D to duplicate, then SX. -1 to flip. I marked the positions of the points. Select the armature, then in Edit Bone. Duplicate the bones and place them at the points. Parent the object to the bone again. Then in Weight Paint mode, apply the weights. Make a rectangle for the mouth. Select Stroke. Set Curve Type to NURBS. Move the points to form the mouth shape. Add the teeth. Then duplicate the bones as we did for the eye. Go to Weight Paint mode, then apply the weights. Add the bones for the teeth also. the teeth and the tongue layer, add a mask targeting the mouth so that they appear only inside the mouth. I then added an IK constraint to the shin bone to control the leg. Our character is now ready for animation. I also added some rim effect. Please leave a like and comment down below what you would like to see next.
La cresta!